Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. All right, so yesterday, another down day. We really just kind of chopped in between our put and call line for a good portion of the day, but it was a nice size range, so we got some nice big moves there. But for the most part, we did cover indeed the bottom of our gamma range and the top exactly as we'd like to see. Looking at our decks, we're now at our fourth day in a row. That is one heck of a day right there. Been a while since we've had 4 red decks in a row. As we continue down, it has been in short the pop mode. Speaking of short the pop mode, here we are. We have seen sort of the same thing with our customer summit over the past two sessions, which is very bearish. Hey, when they get this big, I like to see them kind of consistently go down as we go down, because sometimes I feel like we get a snapback play from here. We will see how that's going right. We'll see how that's going, how that goes when the market opens today. Sorry. So here we are. We're just ranging right now, sort of in between this whale support down here at 593 and then our whale target of 610. As you can see, they walked down a whale support a little bit lower. It wasn't 6, and they brought it down to 593. So we still have that same little bit right here. We'll recover. As you can see, every time we've gotten down, for the most part, we've recovered all the way back up to this level again. So we'll find out soon enough that's going to happen there. Moving on to our dark pools, no sig prints to worry about at the moment, but we do have another flip-flop on our largest ag, just barely, 609, 68. Remember to mark them on your charts, and the further away we get from our largest ag, if it remains, the more likely we'll start to see a little bit of movement that direction at some point. Let's jump into gamma and see what it has to say about everything. So motoring along, checking our gamma. We're at about 597 in the pre-market session, so let's see where that puts us. So biggest pull right now is 590. So we are a little bit away from our largest pull right now. We're just shy of 597. So taking a look at the ag, our big stopping point we're going to have to worry about is 598 still on that ag, right? That's a big positive bar. So 598 to 575, which seems absolutely crazy that could be a level down, but that's a level, that's a range we have to keep an eye on because we're within it at the moment. Obviously, we break 598. That gives us some room to 604, break that, and room to 610 on the ag. Let's check today's data and see what that looks like. Let me choose the correct day, 226. Let's check today's data and see what that looks like. So, plain and simple, we're above 595 at the moment. That is our break point for today that we need to keep an eye on. If we break 595, we're probably heading on down into 590 again. If we hold above 595, we have a wide recovery range. We're going to put an X on that 617 unless some crazy crap happens. It's going to go ahead and just say no thank you. That would be one hell of a run if it happens. Then you can come on here and say, hey, we hit 617 anyways. ET, you are an idiot. But for now, we're just going to focus on really 595 down to 590 and then 595 up to 600 with a little bit of push away at 607, but that would still be a $10 move up. So we're just going to kind of keep within this little bit of range here, maybe even this small repel at 603, which was a problem for us earlier. So we'll just keep an eye there. Let's just say 603 to 595 is a range, and then 595 down to 590. That's all for now. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe out there, and go get that Oprah money.